Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about Reserve Bank of India and its functions. First, let's see what is RBI. So, it is India's central bank and it regulates Indian banking system and it manages and governs the financial system of our country. Now, let's see when it was established. So, on April 1, 1935, in accordance with the provisions of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, and the central office was initially located in Kolkata but was permanently moved to Mumbai in 1937, and it was nationalized in the year 1949. Before it was a private sector. Now let's see the functions of RBI. So the major function is it issues and manages supply of currency and coins. It maintains price and financial stability in the country. It acts as a banker to government and other banks. It ensures credit assistance to productive sectors of the economy. And it supervises financial markets and financial institutions. It acts as a custodian of foreign exchange and reserves. Now let's see its administrative structure. So it has one central board of directors with one governor and 4 deputy governors and other administrative staffs, and it has a board of financial supervision. Now let's see the centers of RBI. So there are 4 centers. One is in Chennai and Delhi and then Mumbai and then Kolkata. Now let's see how does RBI ensure monetary control. So it controls using cash reserve ratio, that is CRR, statutory liquidity ratio, that is SLR, and refinance facilities. Now let's see currency notes and coins. The note issuing authority is the Currency Note Issue Department of RBI, and the coins are minted by the Government of India, and RBI will act as an agent for distribution and handling of coins. So the currency notes can be issued up to the denomination of 10,000, whereas coins can be issued up to the denomination of 1,000. Now let's see some question and answers. The first question, who decides on the printing of currency notes? Option A RBI, option B Government of India. So the answer here is RBI. The next question, which of the following rate is not decided by RBI? Statutory liquidity ratio, CRR, and inflation rate. So the answer is inflation rate. So the next question, what is the maximum denomination up to which coins can be issued? 1,000 or 10,000? It is 1,000. Next question, which organization has the responsibility for minting of coins in India? Option A RBI, option B Government of India, option C SBI. So the answer is Government of India. Next question, what is the strength of deputy governors in RBI? 2, 4 and 5. So the answer is 4. The central office of the RBI is located in Kolkata. Say whether it is true or false. So it is false. It is located in Mumbai. The next question, banks in India are primarily governed by which of the following? Banking Regulation Act 1949 or RBI Act 1934. So it is Banking Regulation Act 1949. So let's see more topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.